Hey, dudes and dudettes. Sorry about the lighting, but my camera and my room really don't like each other, so this is why it's bollocks. Don't know if I can say that, but yeah. I'm just gonna play something for you, and after it, I'll show you how to play it. If you can't hear, I'm sorry, but gotta do what you gotta do. And if you know your Black Sabbath, that's Crazy Train. It's a great song. It's what most people first know about Black Sabbath is the song Crazy Train. And if you don't know it, then you should know it. That's all I'm going to say. But anyway, enough of that. I'll zoom up a bit here. Yeah, I'm not really that big into budget with all this stuff, but yeah. So it's 2nd fret first on the E string, just. I'll show you. So that. Then you got to stretch your ring finger over to the 4th fret of the A. It's like doing a power chord, except you just. Then after that, you stretch your pinky. As you can see, you need to get really good at all your stretching and stuff. Well, just like your stretches and your finger placements, in order to be a good guitar player. But then you have another E there. So I have my hands in the way, but it's just the way I've got my camera set up. I need to try and lift it. Actually, epic bouncing skills. There we go. Wait, that a bit brighter? Yes, it is. Better for me as well. So we have the root on the 2nd fret. Then we have 4th fret, then 5th fret, after another E, so then after you've hit the 5th fret with on the A with your pinky, you go back to another E. So it's basically after each note with your